ya Bungoma. Kila laheri wakati wanasaka ubingwa huo, lakini tuangazie mchezo wa kuteleza pale barafu, kwamba Mkenya ambaye anawakilisha hasa taifa hili na Mwana Olimpiki pekee kutoka humu nchini wa kuteleza barafu, na mzungumzia Sabrina Simada, aliweza kuzuru humu nchini akiweza kukutana na chipukizi na kuwapa motisha sawia pia na kutoa ushauri kwao jinsi wanaweza hasa kujiendeleza na kuweza kufikia hatua ambazo yeye yupo ndani. Aliweza pia kukutana na uongozi wa shirikisho la kuteleza barafu humu nchini na pia kulonga nao moja mbili jinsi wataweza kuendeleza hasa mchezo huu kufikia hatua ya kimataifa. Msikize.
It's a great booster. It's support which we need every day. It's an indication that whatever we are doing is in the right direction and we get all the support that we need, all the encouragement that we need. And from Sabrina's journey, she was a dreamer. She's a Kenyan who is skiing, and which is not an ordinary thing that you see. So even for us as the Kenya Lions, it's a motivating factor, it's an encouragement, and it shows us that we're in the right direction and we're doing the right things. So skiing and ice hockey are both winter sports, so we all partake in the Winter Olympics, and we've been seeing videos of her and news articles about her, and then we learned that she was coming home for the holidays, so we reached out to her, we got talking, and we figured, hey, we are brothers on ice, sisters on ice, let's meet up, let's have a one event where all the people doing winter sports can meet and link up and exchange ideas, talk and discuss the growth of the sport.
We wanted to inspire most of our youths, both male and female, that anyone can dream and anyone can work hard to chase their dreams. The growth of the game has not been easy. There are so many challenges in between. And as you know, with ice hockey, you cannot find the equipment here in Kenya. We always have our friends donating equipment. So today, Sabrina brought us a huge bunch of equipments for the youth, because that's where the game is. We need to encourage the youth, more youths to get into the sport. So Sabrina donated so many gears today: hockey sticks, skates, knee pads, helmets, to help us grow the sport.
It's the connection, because we both are making a popular sport, and Kenyan is used to the summer sports, marathon and sprint, athletics, and I want to make the winter sports more seen, and that is a big vision for me. And to see those ice players, it's so cool, and we are connecting on it, and yeah, it's awesome. I'm preparing now for the Olympic Games and also trying to get the funds together, the budget, because skiing is also an expensive sport. And yeah, I'm really excited for February. The first Olympic was in 2016 in Lillehammer, Norway. And it was a really awesome experience, because Philip Boyd was also there cheering for me, and yeah, that was the first Youth Olympics. And the next big Olympic Games was in 2018 in Pyeongchang.